Another game that we have at GeoToys for making geography fun is Travelmania. Travelmania is for kids 10 and up, and basically what the game is essentially very similar to Trivial Pursuit, but with a focus on geography. The goal of the game is each player gets a passport with 5 different continents, and by answering trivia questions correctly, players then stamp the passport, and once you fill your passport with stamps, you win the game. So a player would start, for example, on the continent of the Americas. He or she would roll the dice, move to a space on the board, and then according to the space where they land, they would answer a trivia question. Here, for example, are some of the trivia questions. Aruba is a territory of what country? If you answered that question correctly, you would get to stamp your passport for the Americas. So you would take your handy passport stamp. You would stamp your passport for the Americas, and then you would move on to another continent. So the goal is to answer a trivia question correctly for each continent, and when you do, you stamp your passport, and once your passport is full of stamps, you win the game.